I need my Victorinox. Victorinox saved my life. Oh fucking yeah. Victorinox pocket knife. It's a Victorinox for sure. Name don't know. Okay. Wow, not too bad. Wow. Wow, nice cut. Pretty awesome cut. Okay. Can it open my beer? Hier das Linerlock, Bier. Oh! 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 Too bad. If you really want to open a beer, if you are more smarter than me, then you use this one. Okay. This power bar expired 20 years ago. It's very hot material now, and I'll try to cut it open. Wow. Nice cut. Nice cut for sure. Hungry? So that's very old cucurut. It's tough like hell. I'll try to cut it with the Victorinox. Yeah. Wow, that's tough. That's tough stuff. Okay, that's good. You can peel it off like nothing. Like cucurut. This is really, you can see, this is really tough material. Pretty tough. Oh. Yeah, you can make a spear. You can make a spear. And try it. Ah! 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 Metal. Yeah, then it cuts through there. Can you baton through aluminium metal with a brick? Wow. I would say that's not too bad. The edge looks very intact. Not too serious, not too many problems with the edge. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad for this knife. Okay, can the Victorinox do feather bones? Yes, it can. And don't worry, a zombie bone, not a human bone. So, but bone is very tough material. Let's try to baton through it. Baton a bone. Okay, you can see we batoned it with the Victorinox. Can we do it? Yeah. Wow. I think it's a fat bone. Okay. Again, let's make some bone baton. Wow. That's a tough one. Wow, look at this. Crazy. And the knife. Yeah, we have some wiggle. Wiggle. There is some wiggle in the knife. Okay. Let's make the prick test. The edge retention and the tip test. Okay, the tip, there was no tip there, but it's a little bit duller more than before. And the edge retention is quite okay, I would say. I would say it's okay. Okay. This comes out, there's no problem. Yeah, the edge retention is not too bad, I would say. Not too shabby. Let's make some brick sticks. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. There's not too much damage at the tip, so we need to baton then. We baton the brick with a stick. Okay, batoning is not possible. The tip is kind of bended, I think. Okay, let's make a tip test. Small one, Oh. Oh. Immediate break. Immediate break. No. Okay. Yeah, there's something wrong. There's something wrong with the locking mechanism. Second break. Yeah. Yeah. And here we go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's for this knife. Victorinox folder. The edge retention is amazing. There's not much damage at the blade. The brick and the metal did not too much damage. So awesome edge retention. There's no tip on this blade, so you don't have too much penetration, but you can if you have to. Then the tip broke quite easy then. You can baton with this knife, no problemo. Bones, bricks not so much, but bones. And then the tip broke quite easy 3 times. First break very easy, second break
was abuse, third break massive abuse.
And there was something wrong then with the liner lock, but that's okay, because this knife is not meant for this abuse. It's not a cold steel, so it cannot handle this type of stuff. And pretty awesome knife. But again, when you have the metal like here, like a ring, it breaks exactly in the middle of this ring. So that's a pattern I follow now on many knives like Spyderco and stuff. This is stainless, Swiss made. I think it's stainless steel for sure. And this knife has some other features as well. Beer opener, screwdriver. Yeah, and this one locks in place as well. So this one has also a liner lock. Here's a liner lock, so it stays in place. So this is another stuff, I'm not sure for what, like a screwdriver and like a can opener, something like this. Whoever needs stuff like this. This is very important nowadays to open a wine bottle, to get even more drunk. Pretty awesome, and you can use it as stabber. Step, 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 step. So pretty awesome tool. Step, but be careful because it don't stay in place. So something more at this knife? No. So it's just one blade on this knife, but it's cool knife. Swiss made.
A flower for my lady fans. I love you all.
Yeah. Bye bye. Look at this. What have you done, Kukuruz?